Today I want to talk to you about an opportunity to get some substantial tax credits for hiring people, and that's through the Work Opportunity Tax Credit. This has been around for a while, but there's some nuances to it right now that I think might make a lot of sense. So the important thing here you have to know is it can be up to $9,600 per employee, but you have to have the employee fill out an IRS form to say that they qualify before they start the job. That's the key. So you're gonna have to get on the front end with this, make sure your hiring manager or your director of HR knows all about this. So who qualifies for this? It's not everybody, right? Top two groups you wanna really think about primarily. If you're hiring veterans, that's one thing. There's a lot of details here. It's not just all veterans. And certain veterans with certain things that have happened to them or have been unemployed for a certain period of time. But number one, look for veterans if you're hiring a veteran, number one. Number two, what they call long-term unemployed. So somebody who's been unemployed for 6 months, they could qualify as well. And that's a big deal right now because of COVID. A lot of people took off, or for whatever reason, they weren't working. So up to $9,600 per employee, this Work Opportunity Credit is worth looking at. And mainly, I think it'll hit maybe two groups. Number one, veterans, if you're hiring veterans. Number two, if you're hiring somebody who's been unemployed for at least 6 months.